Hello, Assalamu alaikum all everyone. Today this video thumbnail baggage allowance Burkina baggage allowance. So this is the video thumbnail. Here the summary of Air Burkina baggage allowance based on airline's official policy. Carry-on cabin baggage. You are allowed 1 pieces of cabin baggage. Maximum weight 10 kg. Maximum size 56 cm. Long into 25 cm. Checked baggage. Checked baggage. Standard route most flight. Economy class up to 30 kg. Business class up to 40 kg. Infants up to 10 kg. Enhanced route allowance on specified route. Economy class up to 40 kg. Business class up to 50 kg. Infant 10 kg. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.